Hello guys, welcome back to the channel called Scarabyte, and today we will discuss the most equal and the most useful and the most important secrets in YouTube that appears, and probably you don't know it. I think you don't know it, and if you watch this video, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, one moment, I will drink water. So yeah, let's talk about comments today, and what we can do with the comments that we have. So action menu, and we can remove only comment, report the user, hide user from channel is like ban, always approve comments from this user. So all comments that this user put in our comments will approved, yeah. And we can add this user as a comments moderator, yeah. So mention, not mentions, no one mentioned me. So what you can talk about subtitles. Also is the important thing, we can add subtitles with our videos, yeah. So some foreign people can watch, for example, I don't know, if I speak English and Russian people don't understand me, I can put like Russian subtitles, and yeah, the most audience will see my videos, and my audience will grow up. So yes, we can like put some subtitles, for example, I don't know, let's put the Ukrainian, maybe, I don't know, or Russian. Okay, let's put Russian. Russian. Oh, boy. Yeah, and we can just put this or upload the file or type. So for example, I don't know the Polish, but kurwa matka, and it will appear here, yeah. But it have to be like really you have to translate this, have to be really translation of those words, because if not, YouTube will ban you. So yeah, it's really important thing. So what we can talk about monetization, we can earn with ads, and like we can watch this video in Creators Academy, and yeah, you can watch and or read, yeah, like here. So monetization options, like we have video advertising, membership, and supers. So yeah, all people that member or super on my channel, they support me, and yeah, thank you very much for them. Also, customization of our channel is also important, and like you can see the picture and banner image. Also, you can put the video watermark. Yeah, it's also important. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. You are on channel called Scarabyte, and we will see soon in the next episode.